Hey, what's going on? My name's Dash, and for the past 2 weeks, I've been learning to use the Unity game engine. And over these past 2 weeks, I've learned a lot, from programming to making art to, actually using the engine itself. It's been a great time. But with all that knowledge, I've been making a game. The game itself doesn't have a name right now, so I'm just going to call it Cube Run. But it's a puzzle platformer that follows the story of this cube.
Nice.
Okay, yeah, look, my ideas aren't great, but the gameplay is, it kind of redeems that. Oh my... on second thought, maybe it doesn't. Anyway, I think that's enough of an intro to this whole mess. Here's what happened this week. So Tuesday was one of my streaming days, which meant I chose not to work on the story for the game, because, I want to keep that a secret until release and all that. So I actually decided to create switches instead, which at first I thought was a great idea. Then I realized A, I'm bad at art, B, switches, kind of have to move and stuff, and C, yeah, well, I'm just lazy. So I recreated a button that I'd already made, copied the script, and pasted it into the new one. Boom! A better button that actually releases when you step off. Now, with that victory under my belt, I was all like, I'm gonna fix the bug where the player doesn't detect the ground, because that's bad. And after countless hours of work, I broke it even more. Sick. After I ended my stream, I got to work on the story for a bit, and then Tuesday was over. After the absolute dumpster fire that Tuesday was, I decided to get some more work done on the story, and to my surprise, I was able to write the story for at least a solid hour. Once I got sick of writing, I decided to plan out what I wanted to tackle for the next 2 days, and got to work on revamping the graphics for the game. Now, this was no easy feat, but after hours of perseverance, hard work, determination, I just downloaded the all-in-one sprite shader, which you can find on the Unity Asset Store, and boom! Green water. Wait, what? Okay, so maybe I had to do a little bit more work, but after creating lava textures, changing the rendering system, well, you get it, nerd stuff, I made the lava look less like a red line, and more like, lava. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this took me pretty much the whole day, but boy am I glad I did it. Because now every time I look at the lava in this game, I feel like a kid in a candy shop.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
It moves.
This is
amazing.
great stuff. Seriously though, I'm super happy with how it turned out, and with the new system in place, I can do all sorts of stuff with it. But yeah, that's pretty much all that happened on Wednesday. Thursday was my second streaming day for the week, so after going live and getting set up for the day, I got straight into creating a crate object. Now, with my art expertise and superior Photoshop skills, I was able to make the most realistic looking crate known to man. Once my masterpiece was complete, I did some boring nerd coding and wha-pow! The crate now has physics. Satisfied with my work, I went back to the Trello board and set myself up for the treacherous path that was creating a purple NPC. Now, for this to work, I had to make sure I'd done my research and used that to build a pathfinding system from the ground up and... Well, with that grueling task complete, I could now dive into the ongoing task of level design. And that about sums up my Thursday. So on Friday, I didn't do anything. Anyway, that's about all I did during the week. It was definitely a weird week since I spent Monday planning out how my YouTube and Twitch content was going to work out. And then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and even the next Monday editing this video. So hopefully as I get better, the process will be faster, but let's see what happens. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know, as it'll help me create more content in the future. And moving forward, I'll be posting a devlog each week. However, some weeks might be combined into one video if there's not enough content. I also stream Tuesdays and Thursdays, so come tag along if you want to chat, and I'm active on all my socials, so check them out below. I'll see you around.